Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. And my name is Peter Jobst, and I have a great topic for you today. We are checking out the new Mackie Thump Go speaker. We do tech events, and we needed a speaker that could play music, Bluetooth music, but it can also be a PA, and it had to be lightweight, and it had to be battery operated. So this is the one that we found, and I'm super excited to open it up, check it out, plug it in, and see what happens. And just some specs on it. I'll just read kind of off here so you know what it is. It's a 200 watt amplifier. It's a PA system, so it sounds good outside. It has 8-inch speaker, 1-inch compressor driver, rechargeable battery. It's a lithium ion battery with 12 hours of battery life on it, which is pretty impressive. A 2-channel mixer with these combo XLR 1/4-inch inputs, and they have different modes on it for you can have music, speech, a monitor, or plug in a subwoofer on it. It has different modes for it, music ducking, feedback eliminator, which cuts out your microphone, the feedback that you get from it. It has Bluetooth pairing. It has a headphone jack input right here that you can play music through, and you can even link two of these together. And so I'll tell you what, let's open it up. We're gonna connect up this Thump Connect 2 app to it, and let's see what it looks like. So when we're doing these events, you always want to have a little music in the background, and you want to be able to have the speakers be heard. And I think this is going to do the trick for us. We got our instructions here. Really not too much to it here. Let's see here. Well, check that out. You can hold it with one hand. It's got a great handle on it. And if we look at it here, got the power. Turn it on in a second here. Here's all the inputs that you can see, XLR. So you can put a 1/4-inch or XLR in here. That's for your headphone jack. This is channel 1, this is channel 2. So I guess the microphone goes in here. This is the through that goes out to another speaker or out to a subwoofer. It also shows you the little curves for your bass and mid-range and highs on here. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, it's right out of the box. The battery is working. And now I need to connect my phone to the app. Okay, so let's get this connected. We have this it's called the Mackie Thump Connect 2. I just started it up. I'm gonna say Thump Connect 2 would like to use Bluetooth. I'm gonna say yes. Make sure you're connected to the speaker via Bluetooth, which I'm not. I'm gonna go into Bluetooth. I don't see it here yet. I'm gonna hit the pairing mode on the speaker here. So I'm gonna hit hold the pair. 1, 2, 3. I see it flashing now. Let's see here. Okay, I see the Thump Go. Okay, and let's go back to the app. Oh look, ooh, it already connected. And look, okay, the battery is full, even though it's brand new. We have our channel 1, channel 2 main that you can turn up and down. Speaker voice mode, we have it on music, speech, monitor, so you can change it all from your app here. Advanced, and then auto connect, auto link, feedback eliminator for a microphone, music ducking, custom EQ, All right, so let's go into, there's something called outdoor mode. We're gonna play a song here. Okay, so we can control the volume from our app here. Sounds pretty good. So it sounds like it kind of expands it for outdoor use. So let's go ahead and, so the thing I want to go check on now, bring this volume down now. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hook up a microphone to it and let's see if we can get the PA working on it. Sounds good. Here we go, check 1, 2. All right. So everybody can hear you now with your new microphone and you can act real cool and sing along. And we are going to try out the next thing is I'm going to grab a second speaker and we're going to run these in stereo. So we're going to see if that works, if we can link them up. So give me just a second here. So the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to try to link them up. Right now there's only one speaker on there and the instructions say to go onto the back here and press and hold link. Both speakers came up and let's see if we can see what else comes in here. See if we can hear the difference here. Let's turn this down a little bit. Oh yeah. That sounds good. There you go. That's got some pretty punchy bass there, I would say. So that pretty much wraps it up for us here today. These are the Mackie Thump Go's. They're a battery operated lithium ion battery. You plug them in and it charges the battery, or you can leave them plugged in if you have power. It doesn't make a difference on what they sound like. It's great because it's a real PA speaker that you can mount it on a pole. You can mount it as a monitor. You have all these different inputs that you can hook into a mixing board, that you can hook in the guitar. You can hook in Bluetooth to it, change all the channels with all the different modes. And yeah, I think it is a kind of a techie way to do a tech event when you're talking, that you can have your event and then play some music afterwards, and everybody gets to know each other and learn a little bit. So these you can get anywhere. You can get these on Amazon. You can get them on Musician Friend. You can get them from Guitar Center, and they're all pretty much the same price. They're about $450 a speaker, and they're a pretty nice speaker for what it is. They sound great. I mean, they're really, for how small they are, it's not the loudest speaker in the world, but it's really about the convenience and actually having a real PA speaker in a small package. And I think it's gonna work out great for us. So that's it for us today. Thank you for checking out our channel. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Ask any questions, subscribe to our channel. That really helps us out. So thank you very much. My name is Peter Jobst. Have a great day.